Running around with a chick on me. Remember when my friends never check on me? Where you all my haters wanna put their hands on me. They can never stop who I'm gonna be. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, check on me. I know you wish you would've checked on me. Yeah, now I'm running around with a chick on me. Ooh, yeah, gotta check on me. Yeah, yeah, friends never check on me. Where you all my haters wanna put their hands on me. They can never stop who I'm gonna be. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, check on me. I know you wish you would've checked on me.
Alrighty, welcome to my channel, you guys. I'm about to look so crazy. I wanted to give you guys the real deal, but you're about to see me look crazy. What up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Okay, you guys, I look crazy as hell. So I was thinking that I should do a makeover. Like, you guys, just look at me. I look so rough, tough, you guys. Look, I still have a mask underneath my face, you guys. I look so crazy. So this is going to be from busted to banging. Okay, you guys are gonna see me go get a haircut. You're gonna see me get my hair done. You're gonna see me get my lashes put on. You're just gonna see like a 360, you guys. We wanna shop for some new makeup. It's just like a lot going on just to make myself, I wanna get myself out of this rut. I have a huge party. It's called a black party where I'm going to be giving away Christian Louboutins, you guys. So I have to look amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to pull yourself together in 7 days for a party. All right, love your life, you guys. I hope everything goes. Where I get all like my little knickknacks, you guys, like eyebrow pencils, eyeliner. I use this black soap right there, you guys. I love this black soap. It's only $2.99. I actually bought that. One. Alrighty, so after I got through shopping, you guys, I got my hair braided. The next scene, you will be seeing me at the barber shop. Really good. Yep. I forgot I was doing a YouTube today of a makeover. Hell yeah. Oh, if you'd have seen what I looked like going to her early this morning. Marcos, you an old man. That nigga be watching. Okay, y'all, I'm getting a haircut right now from Marcos, my barber. So we're almost done with this makeover, y'all.
No, I knew I had him. And I didn't want to tell you no, so I asked him.
Thank you for not telling me no.
Alright, so if you guys go to the barbershop and you guys want like the fade that I got, it's called a high fade. High fade. Everybody do fades differently, but I normally go for like the boosie. Like the real high fade cut in the bottom. For a season, so that's what we got going. You guys, just the cut. Damn, Marcos' lights is bright, y'all. That's the cut. Hey, she don't get that shit. Hold on. When you late, she don't get that shit. All right, Marcos, thank you, dog. All right, y'all. So we just got a haircut, as you guys could see. I mean, we're not looking that crazy anymore, as we are pulling it to what? Together. Okay, so you guys see the cut in the sunlight. How am I looking? All right, you guys, so the next step, you guys, we gotta get our lashes done. Boop, get the eyelashes on fleek, you guys. Then I'm gonna do the transformation, you guys. So it was really good already, you guys. I got my hair braided, haircut. I'm feeling more like myself. Let's get this money. All right, what up, fam, you guys? Okay, so it's like a couple days later from when I got my hair done and my haircut, you guys. So the next step is I need to get my lashes done. As you guys can see, like, I need to feel really bad. My girl is gonna be gone for like, I think a month to Italy. So this is like the last time that I'm gonna get my lashes done by her, like in a month time. So I'm gonna be looking crazy again. But anyway, I'm gonna go get my lashes done, you guys. I love your life. I am headed to get my lashes done. As we speak, I look crazy. I got my little flippies on. All right. Hello. I'm here for Taylor. Good. All right, you guys. So I got my lashes done. My lashes done, you guys. Okay, so right now I'm headed to a modeling gig, you guys. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing a modeling gig. I'm such in a hurry, but I had to leave the lash place to get ready for work, you guys. So I love your life. I'm gonna catch back with you guys. I love you guys. All right, good morning, you guys. How's everybody doing today? Okay, so we are on the last step of our makeover today, you guys. I am here in front of the nail shop to get my nails done, you guys, because my nails are what? Trashed. Okay, so we're gonna go get our nails done, you guys, and we are headed to the party afterwards. So I hope you guys are ready for the makeover. I love your lives. You guys know what I'm gonna say. Never let a hater mess your day up. Blue.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing this morning?
Well, thank you for waiting. Okay?
Oh, of course. I'll wait for you anytime. I don't care. Alrighty, you guys. So I have to get my nails done because I dye my hair super black, you guys. And it gets underneath my nails. I know you're supposed to use gloves. I know. But I be in a hurry, you guys, and I never use gloves. So it normally stains my gel. I get a gel on my nail, you guys. I just make sure she cuts my cuticle. And I make sure I get at least 2 to 3 coats of gel. It looks literally like your nails are glass. You guys, it's so beautiful. Love it, love it, love it.
Stop playing them games, playing games.
Look at that fucking line, bro.
Are you still? Was it recording still? Of course you would grab. You guys, of course Tony would grab it. You guys and film himself. Oh, let's do the exit intro let's end my video. That was perfect. Okay, you guys. So you guys got to see me get ready for the little black dress party. I love your life. You guys got to see me going from busted to motherfucking banging. Love you guys' life. Yeah, great job. Hold on.
Mess your day up.
I forgot to even say it. That's how you know when you're bad. Let's do it again. Never let a hater
Mess your day up.
Y'all heard that. Love y'all life. Make sure you Make sure you subscribe. We got Tony 2 pies in the back, you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Tony, say subscribe.
Subscribe, like, do all that shit.
Yeah, say it
You know
again.
you like it? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, like, subscribe, and you know you like that shit. You guys have such a good night. I love your life. Thank you for watching. You guys are such a blessing. Love your life. Bye.
Believe it. Running around with a chick on me. Remember when my friends never check on me? Where you all my haters wanna put their hands on me? They can never stop who I'm gonna be. Yeah. You would check on me. I know you wish you would've checked on me. Yo, now I'm running around with a chick on me. Ooh, yeah, gotta check on me. Yeah. I got a check. I got a reason to flex. No, I'm next.
Thank you. We got the Christian Louboutins. You guys better come to the little black dress party. Yeah.